Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to review, the Sony WH-CH720N noise-canceling wireless headphones. Let's delve into their top 5 features that set them apart from traditional headphones.
Feature 1. Impressive noise canceling capability. One of the standout features of the Sony WH-720 is its exceptional noise canceling capability. With advanced noise canceling technology, these headphones can effectively block out external sounds, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music or podcast. Feature 2. Long-lasting battery life. Nobody likes their headphones running out of juice in the middle of a long trip or a workday. Thankfully, the WH-720 won't disappoint you in this aspect. With an impressive battery life of up to 35 hours, you can enjoy uninterrupted listening for an extended period. Feature 3. Quick charge functionality. Even if you forget to charge your headphones, there's no need to worry. With the quick charge functionality, just a 10-minute charge can give you up to 90 minutes of playback time. It's perfect for those last-minute moments when you need your headphones in a hurry. Feature 4. Comfortable design. Comfort is essential, especially if you plan to use your headphones for extended periods. The Sony WH-720N is designed with comfort in mind. The adjustable headband and plush ear cushions ensure a snug and comfortable fit even during long listening sessions. Feature 5. Convenient touch controls. Say goodbye to fumbling with buttons. These headphones come with touch controls on the ear cups, allowing you to manage your music, calls, and even activate your voice assistant with just a few taps. Pro 1. Excellent sound quality. When it comes to audio performance, the WH-720 delivers in spades. Sony's signature sound quality provides clear and crisp audio across different genres, making your listening experience truly enjoyable. Pro 2. Built-in microphone. Need to take a call on the go? No problem. The built-in microphone ensures that your voice calls are clear and echo-free, making it a reliable option for hands-free communication. Pro 3. Foldable and travel friendly. Planning a trip? These headphones are perfect travel companions. The foldable design makes them easy to pack and carry, while the included carrying pouch protects them from scratches and damage. Con 1. Bulky design. While the WH-720 is comfortable to wear, some users may find them a bit bulky, which could be a concern for those seeking a more compact and sleek design. Con: if you're interested in experiencing these headphones for yourself, check out the product link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.